When camping, have you ever struggled with storing food? Do bears ever try to eat your food? Well, this is why you need to elevate your food on trees. However, it soon becomes tiring. Let me present you a new solution. The artificial branch mechanism. This device is so simple and easy to use. All you have to do is tie it around a tree using a rope threading through one of the holes at the base. Then you put up the supports and you can hang anything on the hook. Not only is it easy to put up and durable, it is also light, compact, and easy to carry around when you're hiking or camping without any hassle. Now, let's hear from one of our very first loyal customers.
This product has improved my life so much. Check out how light and compact it is. Every night before I go to bed, I hang up my food on the branch.
Thank you for watching, and we hope to see our new artificial branch mechanism in your hiking backpack very soon.